Welcome to 82 Toothpicks, a podcast from the Heisinger Law Firm. I'm Thad, and I'm joined by Ethan, Amber, and Jocelyn as we break down our favorite movies and uncover the estate planning gems hidden within them. From comedies and dramas to family sagas, we're talking about the films we love and the legacy lessons they teach. So grab your popcorn, settle in, and let's talk about the movie. Welcome back, everybody. We're coming off of our Christmas series right now, and we're doing a movie based on a or listener suggestion from Facebook.
Yeah.
Jocelyn, what's the movie?
Legally Blonde.
You can't laugh every time I mistake.
Yes, I can.
Make a mistake.
Every time I mistake. I can and I will. That's what you get. So who's the stupid
Amber,
one now?
Amber, what do we watch?
We're watching Legally Blonde.
Okay. What's it about?
It's about Elle Woods, who goes to law school to become a lawyer, basically originally because she wants to win her ex-boyfriend back.
Mm-hmm.
And she's very into the color pink, and she's very kind of fits the definition of what you would call like a kind of like a ditzy blonde. Like she's very pretty, you know.
Okay.
Not very street smart, I'd probably say, but she's a very fun main character. She's very kind. She's very confident.
I think the stereotype would be Valley Girl.
Oh, yeah.
Is that a better stereotype?
Well, because
For
all of what you
Elle?
said is part of that.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I think it's interesting. The Elle Woods to me is a person who's always doubted because she's supposed to fit a specific stereotype. But then throughout the movie, she's constantly proving people wrong that she doesn't fit that stereotype. So she has this discussion with Emmett at one point where she says, everybody always judges me because I'm blonde. Right?
Mm-hmm.
And they're in the car and he's dropping her off. And
So relatable.
Yeah. And I think the point isn't
Ethan?
she just...
Ethan's blonde?
Well, we said her character is she likes pink, right? And I think there's so much more depth to the character, and that's what the point of the movie is.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Checks out.
Yeah.
I liked this. Actually, this is the first time I'd seen this movie.
You've never seen this movie
I've
before?
never seen this movie.
Oh
before.
my
What?
goodness.
Okay.
How did you feel about it?
I actually enjoyed it quite a lot, except for the part where they got everything wrong.
Except for that part. Okay.
Okay, not everything.
Sure.
But there is literally no freaking way she got a 179 on the LSAT.
Why?
There's no way.
Well, perfect is 180,
Correct.
right?
Yeah.
And her first practice
Perfect
score,
is 180?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
and her first practice score was a 141.
Which is why I know there's no way she got a
I don't think you can
179.
have a variance of 38 points,
She
right?
blew off Greek week and she studied.
It's not possible.
To blow off Greek week?
Oh no, that's possible. It's not.
That was funny.
I just don't think that.
But the LSAT's weird though. Isn't the bottom score like a 120 though?
I don't have any idea what the bottom score is.
I think the minimum to take the test, you get 120.
It could be.
Okay.
Are you going to tell us what you scored on
Yeah, I
it?
got 162.
So are you just jealous that Elle Woods got a better
I
score?
think,
No,
I think that's
no,
where we're going.
I got a 162. I didn't study at all.
Okay.
Oh.
She studied
In
really
fact-
hard.
In fact, I got a 162 and took the test 3 days after we got back from our honeymoon.
Nice. That's nuts.
So
So you didn't blow off Greek week. That's why you got lower
I
than
did
Elle.
not.
Sorry.
I just if your first crack at it is a 141.
Yeah.
Sorry,
You're not.
no.
You're not.
You don't think so? It's not something you can study?
No.
Oh.
I mean, you can. There are, but
It's an aptitude test.
yeah, it's a lot of logic puzzles. It's a lot of
Oh, okay.
right, and it's just you either and not that you can't prep for it, but if you're not capable initially, you're not gonna be.
Sure.
Oh, like neither type of rap, neither type of jazz are on sale?
No,
Like,
so that's one of the
yes.
logic questions. They're,
Okay, that's
they're
what I'm
rehearsing.
saying. Like,
Yeah.
it's not like a...
So it gives you a sentence, and then you have to figure out based on what the sentence says, what's the most likely outcome. So it's not even all the
my
wrong answers;
God.
it's what's the most right answer.
Correct. That's
Oh, I don't like
I-
that.
so that's the
That's
LSAT, and then
terrible.
the bar exam is that on steroids.
Oh, dear.
Love that.
So you'll
dear.
get a question on the bar exam that none of the answers are right, but you have to pick the best one.
That would stress me out.
My sister, went crazy over the bar exam.
She went crazy?
Basically, leading up to it, you couldn't talk to her for 6 months. You couldn't get a hold of her for 6 months. And afterwards, she would be like, I'm freaking out. I need my, because it took probably 2 months to get it back, maybe, or something.
Yeah. Yeah.
a while.
That's
and
a long time to wait.
She
Yeah,
was
you don't-
freaking out.
I think I took when I took the one in Missouri. We took it in July, and I have PTSD over Shark Week because of it. Because I sat in the hotel.
Not Shark Week.
I sat in the hotel in Columbia, Missouri, and
I love Columbia.
watched Shark Week after I took for the 3 days that I was there, because you night before take the test the next day, take the test the next day, and so the 3 nights I was watching Shark Week and doing bar exam study flashcards.
Oh my
In
God.
my hotel room.
So now in your brain, those are like synonymous.
Yes,
and
correct.
You can't hear about sharks.
I cannot do Shark Week on Discovery Channel anymore.
Sharks is like a trigger word for you now.
But yeah, it's you take the exam in July or February, and you find out if you passed about 2 months later. It's 2 months for the summer one because there's more people that take the summer one.
Oh, I just remember she
That
would
checks out.
freak out.
Yep. Yeah, it's not fun.
She passed it the first time, though.
You had a girl.
She was like one of like 5 in her class or something that passed it the first
Wow.
time. Mhm. It was crazy.
for her.
That's an embarrassment for that law school.
Well, I might have made that up. I'm not sure. But I think probably like multiple of her friends didn't.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah, it's hard. It's a hard thing. So I didn't really have a problem with the movie. It's a fictionalized version of how you get into law school, and I mean, there's no way she gets into Harvard on the first try. Gets a 179 on the LSAT on her first try.
Her
I have a
video
4.0.
admissions essay.
Yeah.
And fashion and
Vote
merchandising.
for me, Elle Woods. That killed me.
Welcome
'cause
to Harvard.
You
Elle.
don't vote for Elle. That was funny.
And then her friend walks in the courtroom and is like, vote for Elle.
yeah. Oh, cute. There's a little judge and everything.
The judge is like, I'll kill you.
I forgot to tell
watch
you.
your trial.
I got bangs.
Jury people.
jury.
It's Margot. Yeah, so the movie's about a person who's unlikely to attend law school, who ends up succeeding in law school by finding out that with a little extra help from people who believe in her, right? She can achieve things she didn't think she could. What do we think of that? It's kind of like a David Goliath thing, right? But it's not person versus person. It's really Elle versus the world and herself at the same time.
Yeah, I mean, I think so. Having gone to law school, no, Harvard is not comparable to the law school I went to, or actually, it's vice versa. You can't. There are tiers, right? And Harvard, Princeton, Yale. These are the law schools that
It's top 3 school.
Yeah, these are the law schools that, like, the horror stories come out of places like that because it's so cutthroat and it's so intense and it's the rigor is so much higher. I just as a story about her, it actually made sense to me that everything came hard. And I think that's what makes the story endearing. And then she believes in other people and her impact on them, right? It's a mirror for how her own story develops.
That was beautiful.
Boy, you're all on one today.
I told you I'm the nicest, happiest one here, and that's weird.
What'd you think of the law school scenes, like in class?
I thought it was wild that she showed up with a tiny little heart-shaped notebook, like a fluffy little pink pen. I was like, girl, this is like law school. Like you.
Yeah, but think it was probably, 2002 at the time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I mean, were laptops new then?
Everyone had one is the thing, though,
That's what I'm
except
saying.
her.
Were they saying that, like, at Harvard Law, everybody has a laptop, and she's coming from a college where you just didn't bring a laptop to class?
I'm sure.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Not everyone in my law school class had laptops in class.
Really?
The professors did a lot of cold calling, and we were taught in our education classes not to do that because that's
Gives people anxiety.
very
It's
triggering.
It's the Socratic method.
But like I was teaching like 5-year-olds, and that's like college law students. So I think it's okay, but it's not a good teaching technique.
It's
That
the
bothered
Socratic method. It's actually that was actually very accurate.
They cold call a lot.
Yeah. I was in lecture classes, like the big lecture hall classes, that they would just call people out during the during the class period.
Yeah. So
Say,
you have to know your
tell
stuff
me about
before
such and
you go
such
to
case,
class.
right? And like they did, and
Assignment on the first day. Is that normal? Really? That was like 50 pages of reading, though.
yeah, I know. Yeah.
And she got to school like the day before?
Yep.
Oh my god.
You see what I mean? It didn't seem very realistic.
No, that was crazy.
What? Like it's hard?
And then they kicked her out. Actually,
See, that wouldn't happen. You just get called on the next day,
yeah.
and then the next day,
Yeah.
and then the next day until you came prepared.
Right. Kicking her out was a little intense. But that's okay. Because then she found Emmett.
Yeah.
Is Emmett a law student or
No.
is he an understudy of
He's
that Professor Callahan?
He's an associate
So then why is he hanging around the law school all day?
because he does the one
Recruiting research.
recruiting research. The lawyer's recruiting research for the law firm
But why does he have to do that at the law school?
because that's where the students are.
That's where they recruit from.
Oh, that makes so much sense, Kay. I'm stupid, Kay. I get it. Emmett, his whole role was very confusing to me, and I've seen this movie multiple times, and I'm just like, I don't know who you are, but
You're Luke Wilson.
he is Luke Wilson.
Owen's brother.
Owen Wilson and Luke Wilson?
That's
Dang.
why when he talked while they were driving around, it sounded like Lightning McQueen.
I can't believe you just called me a butthead.
I've been called that since 9th grade.
Not to your face.
Not to your face.
What do we think of Paulette?
Who doesn't love her?
Paulette is iconic in every way possible.
Iconic in every way.
She is great.
Okay.
Can I be more of a, what does she say? Can I have been more of a spaz? When she freaks out and tips the thing over when he's
Yeah.
talking to her. I love her.
And
I
then
I love that
like,
actress.
Sometimes I say okay instead of fine. It's just funny how she's like gnawing on a donut, and then Elle marches in. She's like, "Are you free? It's an emergency," and she just like starts doing her nails.
day.
She's got donut everywhere.
Paulette.
She took the dog back though, and that
Did you
was
see him?
growth for Paulette.
Yes. Did you see the way he scratched his head? Was a good vacation from his ball. I just love her voices. I don't get it because she's also Stifler's mom, isn't she?
Yeah.
She's such a fun actress.
I love her. I love her.
So we have the boyfriend. What's his name?
Warner,
Warner. I was gonna say Walker. Warner.
that freaking
Warner.
guy.
That
that freaking
effing guy.
And his fiance.
biatch.
Well,
She comes around
she
at the
has
end.
a redemption
She
arc.
does.
Kind of.
Yes, after she is a biatch to Elle and realizes that Warner's a douche. Well, she not really. She kind of notices that
It's
with Callahan.
Yeah, when they're in the conference room and she won't, Elle won't give up the alibi, right? For the
It's pretty classy.
client, and
That's a good word, classy. I like that.
Warner's like saying, "Think about yourself first." And
Oh yeah,
right,
she is
that's,
just quick.
That's
like,
when the fiance is like, "Wait a minute."
So we talk a lot about like attorney-client privilege, right? Does that?
Yeah, sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off. She goes to Paulette and tells her all about the case. I literally said that out loud. I was like, that can't happen. And Luke's like, what do you mean? And I was like, she can't be telling Paulette about all this stuff. And I was like, I'm learning things at the law firm.
look at me.
But does that extend to like partners at the firm that represents you?
What do you mean?
Like, does Elle have to share the alibi?
With Callahan, you mean?
Yep.
No,
Okay.
but she also it's also not true that she can't. You understand? Like attorney-client privilege is it
Because they're working together.
Callahan was the attorney.
Correct.
Right. Okay.
and because she's a law student working in a law firm, the same rules about privilege apply to her. So communications from the client to the lawyer are privileged, right?
Sure.
They can't be, nobody can force you to disclose that. But in that particular case, the fact that everyone in the room was certain that the client was guilty, like that's, for me, that's the interesting part of the story, or that setting.
Sure.
Because Elle is like, she didn't do it.
Like immediately.
Yeah.
She's like, exercising releases endorphins. Endorphins,
Make people happy.
happy people don't shoot their husbands.
They just don't.
I brought you the Bible.
So that was really kind of a fascinating
Sure.
interplay between all of them there. I also, you pointing out the violation of privilege, right, where she's talking to Paulette about all this stuff.
Yeah, a girlfriend
That-
can't be doing that.
That's so basic. Like that's the first thing they teach you.
She's not paying attention at law school.
That's a fact.
Mm.
With
See,
her
that's what I
orange
mean. Like,
laptop.
you don't get a 179 on the LSAT and then talk
Not-
about the
Yes.
first case that you ever are working on to literally the person who does your nails.
Yeah. No, it's definitely not perfect and like
So she impersonates a lawyer when Paulette is getting her dog back, right?
yes.
Is she allowed to do that?
By the rules of habeas corpus.
Division of the assets.
Well, she never says I'm a lawyer.
Doesn't she say I'm Paulette's attorney?
Yes, she does.
Does she say I'm like representing Paulette?
Miss Bonafonte's attorney. That's what she says.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But I mean,
can you do that?
like anybody can like represent anybody, right? Can't you like even
Can I
represent
represent
yourself?
Jocelyn?
You should actually, because everyone's mean to me. So you've taken on the residence.
Do we want to make this podcast about first year law school ethics? And
Reverse.
I'm not saying it's a bad question. It's more complicated than that.
Is it?
Okay.
Moving on, Jerry.
Well, so let's. I mean,
We're not going to talk about it. Actually,
No, I'm not saying we're not going to talk about it. I'm saying it's more complicated than that. Because yes, Amber can represent Jocelyn. That's totally fine.
Can I say I'm Jocelyn's attorney?
No,
no, because you're not an
because you're
attorney.
not an attorney.
Okay. What does Elle actually say?
I am Miss Bonafonte's attorney.
I'm gonna
Or
look
does
it
she
up.
say representation?
Yeah.
No,
see,
she says attorney.
But see, when she's a law student working under an attorney,
Mhm.
she can practice law.
Mm-hmm.
That's why Emmett had to sign off
Right.
for her.
Right.
After they fire Callahan, or after
Right after he.
what's her butt?
Yeah.
Ellie Larder. What's her name in that movie? What's her
I
name?
don't remember.
We know this.
we
Brooke
know.
Taylor.
Brooke.
There you go. Yeah. So
Maiden name Taylor.
it's nuanced, right? Because she's not an attorney, but she can practice law because she's being supervised by an attorney and she's in law school.
Sure.
Right. That's how that works. Right. Law schools have law clinics. So what they do is they have law students that work for the law clinic, which means they're doing legal representation for people before they are licensed. But there's an attorney, there's a lawyer or a group of lawyers that supervise the clinic, right? So if they had to go to court, the lawyer would go along.
she does say attorney.
There you go.
Oh, Elle.
All right. Who else we got? We covered,
Character-wise?
I think all the major characters.
Well, we haven't talked about Bruiser.
We've covered all the major
Okay,
characters.
I'm Elle Woods, and this is
Bruiser
Bruiser Woods,
Woods.
and we're both Gemini vegetarians. It's so good.
I don't like that little dog. It's just Chihuahuas bother me.
Same.
when he's watching the Taco Bell commercial.
Yeah.
I love that movie. I do. I think
like
it's
how-
just
I was going to say, what's your favorite part?
oh,
Like
Probably-
the scene that you're just like, this is it.
probably when the bend and snap scene, obviously,
That was pretty funny.
like obviously.
And the guy comes out of the back room. He's
The
like,
bend
oh, the
and
bend and
snap.
snap.
Works
Works
every
every
time. so good.
That's his only line in
Yes.
the whole
Oh,
And
man,
He,
he was-
literally comes out of nowhere. Like
Yes.
you're in the back mixing color. You don't know what's happening.
He heard the bended snap. He knows it's happening.
That was.
You broke his nose? Okay, I'll be there as soon as court is out.
My snap was all over the place.
It's so good. He
that's
has a package.
That's a great scene.
Yeah, so that
Yeah,
I
when-
feel like that's iconic. That scene, shut up, Dad. That scene is iconic. But also, after they fire Callahan, Brooke fires Callahan, and Elle represents Brooke. And she kind of like stammers a little bit. And she's like, so you didn't hear the doorbell or the gunshot because you were in the shower. Yeah.
She struggles.
So you were in the shower and you didn't hear the gunshot and you're like, okay, she has a point. And then when she's like, hold on, and she picks up on something that nobody else does about the perm.
I saw it. I heard it immediately. I was like, she is absolutely going to tear her apart. For that.
You can see it just switch and she's like,
wait a minute.
yes. And she's like, I have a point, I promise. And I just love that she pulled that out of
kind of
literally nowhere and didn't have to give up her client's alibi in that whole part. Well, then she's like, okay, but before that, actually, when she's talking to, what's her name? Paulette on the phone at the water fountain. And the guy is like, don't stomp your last Prada season shoes at me, honey. And she's like, they're not last season. And then she goes back in and was like, what kind of shoes are these? And he's like, black. And she's like, gay men know designers, straight men don't. He's gay. And so that whole part where like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, okay,
Yeah,
so he's lying.
She's taking her personality and the things that are important to her from before law school, and she's winning in court because of that.
Yes, where you can see how it's not like a traditional thing, and she just uses her way to kind of break it down and like prove her client's innocence. I'm like, I just love that. I think it's so badass.
I think it is. One of the cool things about this movie is that it becomes a courthouse drama, even though it's really about Elle Woods.
Yeah.
And, right. Like that. I was not expecting that. And I enjoyed that.
Yeah.
It's so good.
I like the scene. It's sad, but I like the scene when she thinks Warner's going to propose to her, but then he actually dumps her.
And
she's like crying in the restaurant. And then she's walking home and he's like, let me drive you home. And she goes, no. It's like so little.
You're going to ruin your shoes.
And she goes, okay. She just makes all these little sounds.
He is so douchey. I hate Warner.
Warner.
He's so douchey.
Yeah, he's
like
he calls both the girls Pooh Bear. Did you notice that?
Yes.
I did.
Yes.
She wanted to punch him in the face when he called it the fiance Pooh Bear.
And then he breaks up with the ugly girl to go back to her, and she like I just love that she's like,
girl.
Well,
she could use some highlights, but
she's not completely unfortunate.
Eyeliner and a few highlights.
I love when
she's not totally unfortunate looking.
When she's with her two friends, like at the beginning after he breaks up with her, and she's sitting next to the old lady in the nail salon, and she's looking at the magazine. She's like, "Do you know what I have to do? This is what I have to become." And the old lady's like, "Practically deformed." And the chick's teeth are like, it's so funny. I love it. It's so
Practically
good.
deformed.
Practically deformed. Do you know who this is? The old lady. This is Warner's older brother. She's
She's
so
just
good.
like, who's Warner? Who are you?
Practically deformed. So good.
Dad,
yeah,
favorite scene.
Yeah, kind of like there's scenes that build off each other, right?
Sure.
And on her first day of law school, she meets this guy who's like, I have a PhD in biochemistry, and I've spent the last 3 years feeding orphans in Somalia, right? So she has this guy that's in all of her classes. And he's kind of awkward. It's David, is that his name?
I love David.
Kind of awkward, right? But it shows him having compassion on her because he knows she doesn't fit in with everybody else.
Yeah.
But at one point, he like sees her in a library and like helps get a book
Pulls
off
a book down off the shelf. Yep.
Later,
Oh yeah.
I know what scene
he's
you're
hitting
talking
on a
about.
girl.
Yeah.
and
He asks the girl out.
Yeah, and she walks up, does her whole line, slaps him, and then like obviously it's this. I care about this guy because he has been so nice to me and nobody else has been. So that scene.
Well,
just
because
this
she's going up the stairs and she hears them
mocking him.
making fun of him,
Yeah.
like laughing at him to his face.
Yep.
And she stops and you see it, her process what she can do. And
I'm
it's-
sorry.
That's a great scene. Yeah. He's like, yes.
David.
Later, he's not even one of the 4 students to like be on Callahan's staff intern, but he shows up in court pointing out Massachusetts law, saying she can represent Brooke. Do you remember this part?
Oh yeah.
So just how he has her back kind of this whole time. Just this innocent character who just is there to help.
And is like, what's great about that is all of the stereotypes that are in play there, right? Because he's the goofy looking, super, super smart, socially awkward, and just is kind. And she is the super popular, pretty homecoming queen, right? Everything that like, Greek week and all of those things. And
It's been brought to my attention.
but she's also very innocent.
Yeah.
She talks to people, and her savvy is around things that wouldn't matter to him. It's there's just a lot of fun.
It's a fun dynamic between
Yes,
the two of them.
dynamics.
Yeah,
That's the thing I was trying to get at.
I like their friendship.
How about you?
Boy, I really
Probably where she gets a 179 on her LSATs. That's his favorite.
that was the best. I really like the scene you just described where she slaps him and their interactions. He's just very awkward. Like, yes.
I'm sorry.
But I think my favorite scene is actually the one where they're dress shopping, and the clerk takes the clearance tag off the dress, and she asks 2 questions and then destroys her. Right? Elle just tears her apart because you couldn't do that.
You can't
do a half back stitch on whatever,
Low viscosity rayon.
Yeah. Look at you.
Yeah,
Low viscosity
So
rayon.
that scene, because that comes back, right? That's then when she's in court later, you see that side of her again, and it's lots of
she's
of
not as
callbacks.
dumb as she like they think she would
she's
be.
hyper smart about things that nobody really cares about,
Right.
But I think that scene is my favorite.
Question.
What?
If Brooke did not fire Callahan and put like Elle in his place, do you think they would have lost that case and she would have been convicted of murder?
Yes.
I feel like it was going that direction.
Well, no, because I think eventually somebody would have come out with the alibi. See what I did there?
Come out? The gay guy? Nice. I was like, I think I'm
slowly getting there.
Hold on. The wheels are turning.
You couldn't hear the gun.
Yeah, no.
You were in the shower.
Yes. Okay, so you're saying you were in the shower.
Yeah. I think that she would have ultimately
where you would have
not
had
gone to
time
prison.
to shoot your father and hide the gun. Wouldn't you, Chutney? I didn't mean to kill him. I thought it was you walking through the door. And everyone's like, damn. Like, it's so good. It's great.
Do we have a game?
We do.
I forgot we did that
Yay,
here.
The game.
Yay, the game. We're playing Legally Blonde Jeopardy.
Oh, thank you, Alex.
Okay. There's a lot on here. We don't have to play until like
We do. What's the
the
Trebek
very
thing?
end.
Double Jeopardy.
What's the Trebek thing?
Shuck it.
Trebek.
Okay. Here are my categories.
May he rest in peace.
That's right.
Rip. Do we need the buzzers?
Yeah. Sorry. Y'all
I
need
just
buzzers.
deleted the dang buzzer app off
Why
my
would you
phone.
do that?
Oh my gosh. It was because it was the day that you all made fun of me
You were
for being color
Go through
coordinated and
all your
alphabetized.
apps.
Yes, alphabetizing my apps, and you all called me a psycho. And I came across,
I was not there for this.
You didn't alphabetize them. You organized them by color according to the rainbow.
And then
and then they're
them.
alphabetized in their
Within
color.
that?
Yes.
Within that.
I-
How many people are in this room right now, Jocelyn?
I'm a psycho.
9. You're not counting the ones up there.
Okay. All right, Jeopardy.
Are we ready for the categories?
Hold
Yes.
on, I got to get my buzzer app. How do I
But
get an
can-
app on my phone?
Yes, you can read the
Can you
categories.
listen?
Yeah,
Okay.
I had to figure out how to get an app on my phone.
First one is Elle Woods 101. Harvard happenings.
Okay.
UPS
No one's
men
coming to my
and
happenings.
manicures. That's just like the side characters. So anything that has to do with characters that just basically aren't Elle.
Okay.
Perms don't lie, which is about the
Nice. Perms don't.
and then what? Like it's hard? And then you have to finish
Whoa.
the quote.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Hold on, I got to change my buzzer.
I don't know how to start this. I'm going to be completely transparent.
So are they answers and we have to ask the question?
Yes.
Okay.
So I don't know. You guys just pick a category, right?
Yep.
Who goes
Ethan, you go first.
Or you got to pick the points too?
Yeah. How many?
Usually
how
you
many
say like
dollar amounts are there
UPS men for 500, Alex.
Yeah. Yeah. So I have 1 through 500
on
in
each one
category.
Sweet.
So
So
there's
you
a
get
lot.
to pick.
Okay.
You pick your category, you pick your...
Dollar amount.
Yeah.
And then I read aloud the
Answer.
prompt and you guys buzz in to get the answer.
No. You
You
read
have
the
to-
answer.
You have
we
to
ask
answer in the form
We
of a
have to
question.
Yes.
Yep.
So
Yes.
straight Jeopardy rules.
Yes.
All right. Elle Woods 500.
But anybody can buzz in though,
Come on.
right?
Uh-huh.
What'd you say?
Elle Woods for 500. The city that Elle is originally from. Thad.
Bel Air. What is Bel Air? Where is Bel Air? What is
What is
Bel
Bel
Air?
Hold on, that's not what I had.
What do you have?
What?
LA. She grew up across the street from Aaron Spelling.
Yeah.
That's
Does
really
that mean
important.
anything?
Yeah.
What do you have?
No.
What? Okay.
Well, actually, is that hyper specific?
What's the answer on your board?
I have Los Angeles.
Okay, Bel Air's the neighborhood in Los Angeles. She lives
Okay.
in. That's like Manhattan compared to New York City. Right.
Okay.
It's not like that, but you are correct.
Thad got that
The
one.
Fresh Prince lives there.
Yes, correct.
Pick a category.
Woods 400.
Elle Woods for 400. Elle's undergrad major at UCLA.
Why did I click that?
Jocelyn.
I don't know. She goes. She had fashion and merchandising, but then there, what?
What did you say?
Fashion and merchandising.
Okay, is that your final answer?
I don't know. What is fashion and merchandising?
Yes.
Suck it, Trebek.
Okay, Joss, pick a category.
I don't know them again.
Just
Elle
stick in the
Woods,
same category.
Harvard, the side characters, stuff about the case, or quotes.
Quotes.
For
500.
quotes for 500. Hi, I'm Elle Woods, and this is Bruiser Woods, and we're both
Gemini vegetarians. What?
I'm gonna let you
What
credit.
is Gemini vegetarian?
there?
Frickin' heck.
You have to do Jeopardy.
I'm used to Wheel of Fortune.
So you're guessing letters?
I'll take an
N.
I'd like to buy a vowel.
I'd like to solve. Okay. Your
Me
turn
again?
again. Yeah.
400.
For quotes still.
Yes.
If you're going to let one stupid prick ruin your life. Thad was first. Thad.
What is You're Not the Girl I Thought You Were?
Good. What? That was wonderful.
What? I pulled that one out of my hair.
Thad.
300.
For quotes. Law school is for people who are Jocelyn.
Boring. Ugly and boring people. What is ugly and boring people?
There's one more adjective.
Ugly, boring.
Just describe me. Every word you use to describe me.
Son of what does it start with?
That's not how this works.
Listen,
If she doesn't get it, do you guys want to try to get it?
wait, I want just the first letter of the next word. Ugly, boring.
No.
It's not stupid people. Ugly, boring.
That's time.
Yeah. Wasn't
No
like,
freaking way.
go ahead. It's only 5 seconds.
So now do I
Shut
tell
up,
you the
Trebek.
answer?
No.
I
Thad
don't
can,
watch
Thad can
Jeopardy.
You
guess.
can buzz in.
Thad can guess now.
I don't know.
I don't know at all.
Okay, then I want to guess one more time. Give me the first letter.
Oh, she's so loud.
Jeez.
S.
It's not stupid.
Is it
No.
stale?
No.
Dang.
Serious.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
No one got
Sauce.
that.
Well, she loses 300 then, right?
I didn't wager anything. Shut
No,
up.
I'm saying in Jeopardy, if you
No,
miss
no, we're not doing that. You just shut your hole and know your roll. Shut up.
Okay. No one got that. So who picks the category now?
Jocelyn.
Okay.
Oh, I do?
Board's still yours.
I
Oh.
don't know anything about Jeopardy, I'm realizing. Jocelyn,
Is
pick
it-
something.
Same for 2?
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Quotes for 200. Exercise gives you endorphins. Endorphins make you happy. Jocelyn.
Happy people just don't shoot their husbands. What is... Hold on, I got to burp. What is... Happy people just don't shoot their husbands.
Good. Okay, Jocelyn, pick another one.
100.
Whoever said orange was the new pink.
What is seriously disturbed?
There.
Anybody else? Want to fight? Want to fight?
Notice I'm not even playing.
I don't even have a buzzer.
Jocelyn.
Me again? Okay, what are the categories?
You can pick Elle Woods 101, Harvard, the side characters, or stuff from the court case.
Elle Woods for the highest. What is it for?
300.
Okay.
Elle Woods for 300. The name of Elle's sorority. Thad.
What is Delta Nu?
Nice.
She's a Delta Nu.
Thad, pick a category.
200.
Elle earns a 179 on this standardized test.
That was me.
Jocelyn was first.
What are the LSATs? What is the LSATs?
It's just LSAT.
What LSAT?
What is the LSAT?
Next category.
Oh, me? 100.
Elle's signature color. Thad,
What is pink?
what is pink?
It's because it matches your favorite signature color.
Do we want to go until we're all the way through all
Yeah,
this? Because this is going to be a long game.
No, keep going. I love it. Hit it again. Hit me again, tube sock. Let's go.
You're good.
Okay. Thad.
I'll just edit things if I have to.
Okay.
UPS driver for 1.
100. So like the side characters for
Yeah.
100.
Yeah.
The name of Elle's Chihuahua. Thank you, Ethan. I need help looking. Thad.
Who is Bruiser?
What's his last name?
Woods.
Okay.
200.
I got to get my thumb closer to the beeper.
The place Paulette works, where she and Elle first met. Jocelyn.
The nail salon. What is the nail salon?
Pick a category.
Oh, that was enough? I thought you had to name it. Same one for 300.
The dance that Elle teaches Paulette to build her confidence when talking to men. Jocelyn.
What is the bend and snap?
Pick a category.
Next one.
400.
Yes.
Okay, the name of the understudy of Callahan that Elle eventually dates.
Oh,
Thad.
Who's Emmett?
What's his last name?
There is no last name.
my browser's gone batshit. There we go.
Stop.
It literally was just going.
So understudy's probably not the right word, but
No, it is.
No, it isn't.
because we talked
It's
about
the law,
that's why I clarified
not theater.
The
Earlier.
associate.
the understudy in case Callahan gets sick. I'll step in.
Gets injured in production.
I'll be his lawyer for the day. Google says his last name is Richmond, but I don't know if they ever say
IMDb
that.
says his last name is nothing.
Oh, okay.
Look it up.
Thad, what category do you want?
Yeah, were you cheating?
Whoa, aggressive.
Last night, Tristan and I had an argument over what his name was. And she said, it's Emmett. And I said, I think that's his last name. And she said, I don't think he has a last name. And we looked.
It was all over Google when I looked it up this
It was
morning.
all over Google.
Yeah,
Emmett
everywhere.
That could be from the musical. It could be from other productions. So other versions of the movie.
It's possible.
Since you
I
guys
have
are
no
fighting,
idea.
I'll just take the points.
Okay, Thad, pick a category.
400,
We did 400.
500.
Okay.
What is this one again? L or wait?
Side
This is like the side
characters.
characters. UPS men and manicures. Okay, for 500. The name of the UPS guy that Paulette ends up marrying. Jocelyn.
I don't know. Damn it. Joey. That's not his
No.
name.
It's not Joey.
What's it start with?
No.
Craig.
Ethan and Thad.
Is it Steve?
No, not Steve.
I have no idea.
It's Kyle.
Kyle.
What?
I didn't know that.
It's Kyle.
I don't know if they ever say that in the movie either.
I thought he's like, I got a big one for you.
I got a package. Did you hear that? He's got a package.
Okay.
Keep going.
Thad, it's still your turn.
Perms 100.
Permanence? I don't think
So
that's
about
one.
the case, in the court case. Okay. The client is initially accused of this crime. Jocelyn.
Killing her husband. What is killing her husband? What is eating Gilbert Grape?
Jocelyn, pick a category.
200.
The name of the client that Elle helps defend in court. Oh, that felt... Thad.
Who is Brooke Wyndham Taylor?
Oh, good job. All of her names.
What is she known for? Okay. Oh, sorry.
Thad,
It's not me. Sorry.
Category.
300.
The key piece of beauty knowledge that cracks the case.
A perm. What is a perm?
Okay, but specifically, what about the perm?
That she said she was going to take it. She washed her hair, but she shampooed her hair, but she didn't because had she gotten it wet, it would have deactivated the ammonium thioglycolate. Anything else?
Okay, that's good.
Look at Ethan's face like, what in the flying Sam is going on?
Jocelyn, pick a category.
Next one.
All right. The witness Elle cross-examines to expose the truth about the case. First and last name. Jocelyn.
Chuck. No, that's the boyfriend.
Wrong.
That's the boyfriend.
Thad.
Who is Chutney Wyndham?
Nice.
Oh, I thought we were talking about the guy. What's the guy's name?
But Elle never cross-examined him. She only cross-examined
Oh, Elle. Okay. Yeah.
Thad, do you want 500?
Yeah.
The brand of Elle's shoes that helps her figure out the pool boy is gay. Thad.
What is Prada?
Ethan, you need some points here.
I've seen this movie one time.
You saving it?
Okay. We just have Harvard category left. So
Yep.
Thad, what?
100.
Start at 100.
Harvard happenings.
What is the name of the elite law school that Elle attends?
What is
Jocelyn?
Harvard? Suck a free Sunday.
What was the name of the
That one.
school? Wasn't it the like W.G. Merrill School of Law or something like that?
Beats me, brother.
Okay.
I don't know. That one was kind of just a free one for whoever got it first.
Which was not you.
Okay.
Jocelyn, want to go to 200?
200.
The name of the professor that Elle gets the internship with. Jocelyn.
What is Callahan?
Who is Callahan?
Shut. What else at?
No, is the name, so that's not a person. That's a thing.
Suck it, Trebek.
Do you want to go to 300?
I do.
Okay. This rival student eventually becomes Elle's best friend.
The ugly, boring girl with bad hair.
First and last name.
Jackie.
Vivian Kensington.
Oh my gosh.
Is that
nice.
right?
Yes.
Who is?
Who
Yeah,
is Vivian
You got to
Kensington?
format it a little bit better.
Listen,
We have 2 left. Do you want to go to 400?
I do.
The nickname that Elle's classmates use to mock her when she first arrives at Harvard.
Ethan.
Ethan buzzed in. Ethan.
Barbie.
Yes.
What?
Who is? Malibu.
Yeah, they call her Malibu Barbie.
I don't remember that, I don't think. What else at? Okay, go.
Okay, last one. These 2 qualities set Elle's resume apart. Thad.
Damn it.
What is
5,
her
4.
LSAT score and her GPA?
No. No. Nope. That's not her resume.
Diversity.
What about her resume, Jocelyn?
Ah, it's pink and scented.
There you go.
Oh, I was thinking of her video.
Yeah.
Or her application.
Yeah.
not
Suck
her
it, Trebek.
resume.
How many?
I have a final Jeopardy question.
Oh, crap.
Beautiful. I risk all of Thad's points.
Okay. All right.
How many points do I
how
have?
that's how we play Jeopardy at our house.
Would you risk his life on it?
What's that from?
Yeah.
How do we do
Legally
the final
Blonde?
Jeopardy?
Oh.
Someone help me out here.
Okay, so you take the points, you can make a wager, and you have to write down your answer.
Oh,
and then if you
so-
get it right, you get
You
that
double
many
that.
points.
Yeah.
Okay, the scores are Ethan with 400 points,
From one question.
Attaboy.
Yep.
Nice.
Nailed it.
Attaboy.
Thad with 2,900, Jocelyn with 3,100.
Suck it, Trebek. What's the category on the final Jeopardy?
It's another quote.
I'd like to wager all my points. Hold on. How are we going to...
You got to write down your wager.
On what? My foot in blood?
Or just tell her your wager.
Yeah, tell me your wager.
I wager all of mine. Do you want us to slack you?
It's not a buzzer. It's just
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah, but then-
why don't you slack me with
Your answers.
your answer? Okay, Jocelyn's waging everything.
seems
How many do I have? 31?
Seems like a no-brainer to me.
Ethan's wagering everything.
17
Thad?
points.
I'm slacking you with the wager.
Oh,
No, wait. Do I just tell
No,
it
you
to
can
you?
slack
We're just
me
gonna
with
tell her
the
the
answer.
Okay, I'm gonna wager 2,100 points.
Okay,
No,
Oh, wait.
2,000.
I already wrote it down.
2,099 points, please.
2,000.
99.
You made this hard.
You're so annoying.
2,000. Not good at math. Okay, that's fine. I can figure this out.
That's fine.
Okay. The category is quotes. Here is the question.
Ooh, ow.
The Aristotle quote that was referenced in the first day of class.
Huh? The teacher?
Yep. So the professor,
Is it the boy
the
or the...
professor referenced this Aristotle quote. You need to tell me the quote.
Who is Aristotle? Can you give us the first word of
Are
it?
you kidding me?
Give us the...
No, I'm not
A
going
little
to,
person
Jocelyn.
is using my bladder as a trampoline. I can't focus. Give me the first
Who
word,
is
please.
Aristotle?
not-
That's the
Can I do that? I
No.
don't think so.
No,
Please.
It has to be word for word.
Yeah.
Gonna be thought for thought.
I'm gonna slap you.
All right. I did my best.
Hold on. Ow.
Did you get it, Ethan?
No.
Oh, okay. I was wondering if that was just something like
I don't have an answer.
people just in law school don't get that like tattooed on them.
That was literally the first time I'd ever heard that.
That did. Okay.
Okay, hold on. Is it a boy or girl teacher?
I'm not telling you.
Deet, dee, 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 deet, deet, deet.
Okay. Now do I read your answers aloud and then I tell you the correct one?
So how
much?
much?
I have not watched.
The
Jeopardy
longer
in so
this
long.
takes, the less we're going to get in on the estate planning side.
Okay.
Oh shit, we have to do that. Sorry.
Thad's answer is, what is the law is logic without passion? Jocelyn's answer is, what is the law is reason free from passion?
Wow. For not knowing who Aristotle is, you really, really nailed that one.
Mm-hmm.
And Jocelyn got it right word for word.
Wow.
Shuck it, Trebek.
That's so impressive.
Mm-hmm.
Yay.
Didn't even know which professor said it, but got it word for word.
Uh-huh.
Weird, huh?
Certainly wasn't a browser involved in that.
Yeah.
Hell no.
Yeah. Okay.
I literally was like, what are we talking about? I lose. It's fine, but really.
Surprising amount of estate planning themes in this movie.
Yeah, it's awesome.
It's almost, I don't want to say the whole movie.
The whole movie is law school, so
Yeah,
Well,
law
no.
school is not exclusively estate
I
planning.
know.
Yeah, the
I
trial,
know.
the trial's a murder trial, right?
Yeah.
But they get really clearly into the estate planning that went into the murder,
Yeah.
right? So they immediately rule out the daughter, and they're like, she's living off a trust fund. She has no money, or no motive to kill her dad,
Right.
Yeah.
right?
Right.
Beyond that, they ask Brooke constantly throughout the movie, like, why'd you marry this guy? Like, you're already rich. You didn't need to. They talk a lot about that. But you had your own empire here. You're not marrying him for his estate, right? Other thoughts on this? What's
he's
everybody?
also a lot older than her.
Significantly, like 30 years.
Yeah.
Because the daughter is the same age.
34 years, right?
Yeah,
Is that what it was?
I think it's 34.
Okay.
See, why isn't that in the Jeopardy?
Yeah, no kidding.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I like the Jeopardy game. I thought that was
I
fun.
did too.
That
It
was
was
good. That was good.
Yeah, I think so. Often, like we had this in Knives Out, right? Where the estate planning and the estate broadly is the catalyst for all of the things that happen in the in the movie. Right here, that's the catalyst for how they're evaluating the case, right? And they're saying, well, this is it couldn't be this and it couldn't be that, and it doesn't make sense because and it's all tied to inheriting and lifestyle and right what you the finances of it and everything, and when I watch movies that have explicit estate planning in them, that's typically when it comes up. So that as a plot device was it's pretty common.
Mm-hmm.
Could we argue guardianship over Paulette's dog
Hold
for
up.
estate planning?
Do dogs fit into
Want to
estate
throw
planning?
that out there.
Have you ever heard of a pet trust?
No.
Oh
What's
my
a pet
gosh.
trust?
Is there a pet trust?
Of course,
There's
there
got
is.
you know the crazy pet people. There's got to
because
be.
a pet can't own property, right?
Okay.
So if you want to
Pet owns
leave money
nothing.
for the care of your pet, you can't leave it to them, right? I can't leave it to my dog. I have to leave it to someone
To
in a
Rufus,
trust
I leave $10,000.
to provide for the dog.
Wow.
So the dog's guardian?
It's a pet trust.
Do we do these?
I have done 2 in my life. Yeah.
How come they're not on the LOR?
What?
Dude, could I add that to the LOR? Because
Only if you use your cup.
That's because that would be so fun. Like I always try to break the tension when I'm giving people the LOR because it's the money thing, right? It's hard.
Sure.
But if I could be like, if you needed a pet trust for your pet, I know clients would just be like, seriously, like,
That'd be
and
so
I'd be like,
fun.
yes, you could hire Ethan to do this.
I bet
Ethan
you
will
would
make a
get.
trust for your dog.
I bet you would get maybe 1 or 2 a year.
Pet trust.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but I would get a laugh 100% of the times I present the LOR.
No, I know, but I'm
I'd
saying
be batting
like you could
1,000
make a
on that
little bit more
joke.
money because someone would be
It's
like,
the people
"Oh,
who put their
actually,
dogs in the strollers.
my sister would pay for care of her stupid cat Martha and Sarabi. I guarantee it.
Martha and Sarabi.
She's got 4 cats: Martha, Sarabi, Nemo, and
Which sister is this?
the science teacher.
These
hates me.
names are all
Those
over
are
the
all
place.
Disney characters.
Martha?
Martha May Whovier? I don't know.
That wasn't a Disney
Hello,
movie.
Martha.
Martha is, I think she's in Aristocats, I think.
Oh.
That's probably where it came from. I guarantee it.
Really?
She's had this cat more than half of her life.
Wow.
She found out. So Martha, Sarabi, Nemo, and Leela or Leela.
Lilo?
Lilo.
I don't know. I don't know what the other one's name is. And then they got this dumb dog. I don't know.
Named Bert.
His name is like Scout or something. She hates
Yeah,
it.
that'd be another Disney character.
Okay, that's probably not it then. I don't know. She said it just. She puts it in the kennel. Never mind. Anyway,
Okay, so there's pet trusts.
she would pay for it. Like that's what I'm saying. Like there are people that would.
Elle would be a woman who would get a pet trust
Would-
for Bruiser Woods.
Correct.
Would Paulette have gotten half of the Windstream if it was trusted correctly?
Half of the who?
The Windstream.
The house. The
Residence?
Residence.
The residents.
Well, that's hard to say.
Okay.
Because I don't know what the title on the property is. Or,
It's probably
as we
isn't
say
one.
around the office, it depends.
The description of
There's
the
also
lot.
so Vivian's engagement ring is from Warner's grandmother, right?
It's a 6-carat. I forget
something Winston on her bony, unpolished hand.
Yeah.
Howard Winston.
something like that. Yeah,
I don't remember.
I don't know.
Okay.
It's a crazy looking diamond.
Okay, so we're passing something down, right?
Sure.
Legacy. So Warner's family is 3 generations of senators.
He was engaged
5
with
generations
Vanderbilt.
of senators.
Was it 5?
I think it's 5.
I think it was
I need a
5.
Jackie. Not a
You should
Marilyn.
have done a numbers category. I would have crushed that.
I don't think like that. I'm so sorry.
Numbers don't
she's-
cross my mind.
She's at 2-4.
The numbers are technicolor.
Yes.
How about when they talk about diminished capacity when they're talking to in class?
Uh-huh.
Is that when they're talking about the sperm? Is
He's got it written on the
The whiteboard.
on the chalkboard.
Mm-hmm.
that when they're talking about the sperm?
No.
Oh. Why now? Why this sperm?
You just wanted to say that.
I
Well, the estate
I
planning,
think
though,
of it a
right?
lot.
Like,
Yeah. Yep.
because
You just
that's
won
what
your
they're arguing
case.
there. The kid is trying to inherit from somebody, and they're saying you don't get to come after you, or you don't get to track down this kid.
Oof. Oh.
Sorry.
That is going to make me.
Whoa.
Yeah. So there's estate planning in that one, right?
Yeah. Yeah. I mean,
Even the examples they're using.
because he's trying to he's trying to be an heir, or right, and then he's saying, well, what about all these other ones, right? And the sperm bank question in that case, in that example, is actually a thing. We actually have to say when we do a probate for somebody, in order to close the probate, one of the things you have to prove or have to document for the court is that the person who died didn't leave any genetic material,
Wow.
What?
because that would result in potentially a posthumous heir,
Posthumous.
right? After death, someone is conceived and born and is biologically your child.
Oh.
Then what, when that kid's 15, they can come after you and be like, my dad was.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ronald Reagan.
Because so when we do a probate, we have to close the distributions, right? So what happens is, say I want to leave money to my children, but I leave, right? And let's say I have fertilized embryos for implantation.
Fertilized eggs. Becomes an embryo.
Yeah, sorry. I mean, you know what I'm talking about, right?
Yes, I do. Yeah.
So if that embryo now gets implanted,
Okay.
then
Yeah.
after I die, then I have another child who wasn't alive,
Whoa.
right?
Okay,
And so when I distribute from my estate to my children, if I could have more children, I can't make the distribution because I don't know how many times I have to divide it, right? Because I could have 3 more kids after my death.
That's
so
stressful
say, so
to
say
me.
you were a sperm donor or whatever.
Yeah,
Which
I
is
mean,
the same
people
thing
who
as like
people
IVF.
who do in vitro is kind
Yeah.
of what it's targeted at, but
Yes.
a sperm donor or egg donation,
So that's
things like
something
that.
they ask you. Like,
Yeah.
do you have sperm sitting in a sperm bank?
Yeah, we have to report it on the final report
That is
to close the estate. Isn't
wild.
that crazy?
They ask you though, like when you're going through that process, like I don't know what it's like for a sperm donor, but like through infertility, like, okay, your embryos, if something happens between you two, what do you do with the embryos?
Yep.
And I was like, when we did, I was like, we'll donate them because there's plenty of people that can't have kids. And Monty was like, absolutely not. Like, how would you feel if you were in Sioux Falls and there was a kid that looked just like Cash? And I was like, yeah, I mean, that would freak me out. Like, that's, I don't know. But then you think of the other side of it. Like,
so it extends even further than that, because one of the things we learned in our estate planning class is that if you are a woman under the law, until your death, you are capable of bearing children.
Really?
Yeah, I asked that during my vision meetings.
So even when you're, you could be 95 and the law says you're still capable of childbearing.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Isn't that wild?
A lot of Abraham and Sarah jokes.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. So I mean, that's why, like, the themes are all over the place in this movie. It was actually really cool.
Cool.
Could you imagine having a kid at 95?
All right, we have an opportunity here to rate this movie. I developed a rating system.
About this.
Again, like you do every week.
I give each film that we watch 0 to 3 points if it made me laugh, cry, and think, with a bonus point on if I would watch the film again. Jocelyn, do you want to start us off?
Oh, love to. I haven't even thought about it. I'll give it a 3 for laugh because it is funny and it's quotable.
Mm-hmm.
Like when I was watching it, I like could quote it and I was like, I haven't seen this movie in I bet 20 years and it's great.
Yep.
Cry. Sad. I'll give it a 1 for sad because it is sad when her boyfriend breaks up with her and she's like not used to that.
Mm-hmm.
And the whole Paulette thing with her dog.
Mm-hmm.
What's the other thing? A think?
Yep.
I think.
I'll give it a 1 for a think and 1 for I'd watch it again. Ugh, I don't like that rating though because I think it's so much better than that. But
that's okay.
Yeah.
Right, 6.
Would you get it a 6?
Yep. Amber.
Laugh, I'm gonna go 2. It's not like the most hilarious movie, but I agree that it's like quotable and I did laugh a lot throughout the movie. Cry, I'm gonna go a 1 just because emotions. Yeah, it's like tough when like even when she shows up at the party and she thought it was a costume party.
Ugh.
And just like the humiliation you experience through her being like she's the only one there in a costume.
And she just leans into it.
She does. She handles it
I
well.
got this.
But like if that was me, I'd be like, oh my gosh.
Except when I dress like a French bitch, I try not to look so constipated. It's great. Sorry.
Steers into the skid.
Think.
What did you say?
Nothing. Don't worry about it. Go ahead, Amber.
Lean into the skid.
Think I would have given it a 1, but now I'm gonna give it a 2. Because I watched it with more knowledge about law and estate planning. And so I was thinking more about that, and that was fun. I would watch it again. So there's another point.
Sweet. 6.
6.
Ethan.
It's getting a 6 for me, too.
Love it.
Woo!
2 for think, 2 for laugh, 1 for cry. Watch it again.
Whoa.
You would watch it again.
I would. I like this movie.
It is. It's funny and it's clever.
Like
and
you said,
it's
it
like,
is quotable. It's just fun.
Ethan, I'm lined up with you.
4
Are we
2
all
2s?
6s?
1 1.
We're cutting my
4 6s. Yeah, it's funny enough. It's not the funniest thing I've ever seen, but I was quoting it throughout the whole thing. And like you said, I haven't seen this one in years.
But you just say it and you're like, how did I even remember that?
Uh-huh. So, I agree. Mm-hmm.
Nice.
That was fun.
So, yeah,
I
all
like
6s.
this one.
So, yeah, good pick.
Whoever
way to go.
recommended this on Facebook.
Oh, she's-
What a beautiful blonde girl.
Oh, my gosh. She's so hot. All right. Have a good day, everybody.
Thanks, everybody.
Bye.
Thanks for tuning in to 82 Toothpicks. This episode featured your hosts, Ethan, Jocelyn, Amber, and Thad, breaking down the movie. Want more? Check out Ethan's book, It's Not Too Late, for insights on securing your own legacy. Visit us at heisingalaw.com for all things 82 Toothpicks, including past episodes and more. If you enjoyed the show, follow us wherever you get your podcasts so you never miss an episode. And if you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Remember, every movie is an estate planning